Hey guys, what's up? This is Muhammad Sayed from Lots of Mesqueria, and today we are going to do two things. First is we are going to claim this Foil Fintly, and second we are going to open two packs, one volcano pack and one original pack, which we got from Battle Arena, which is free on winning 15 battles. And winning 15 battles in Sunfall Kingdom will get an original pack, and on winning uh, 15 battles in in Sunfall Kingdom, if we will win 15 battles we'll get an volcano pack, and if we will win 15 battles in Volcano Island we'll get an original pack. So it is inverse like. So this is our first not last battle, first battle of this video and last battle of for claiming Foil Fintly Gold Giga nah. So guys, I'm planning to get light light cat bunny next month, so only couple of days are left for next month, and as soon I get my rewards from as soon I get the rewards from the arenas, both the arenas battle and daily, around 180 gems I'll get. So from that I'll buy light cat bunny, and continue. Yeah, ranks 338 captured Foil Fintly. One of my friend have dismissed crate, not dismissed crate. Yeah, he's dismissed crate. So now the time for the packs. So I'll first open volcano pack, then original pack. So there we go. First volcano pack. I hope I'll get two new miscreates in both, so that I can be at least rank 309 390 whatever. So first pack, Trail, Scuzzy, Bitter, Puff and Kasai. I have waited for Kasai and Puff for a very long time, but now I have both. Before opening this pack I have both. So now an original pack. Oh, I didn't get new, not even on this one. So Quibble, Nanaslag I have, Fangy and Dakoli Tuti. Oh, what a great pack. Epic pack. 3 premiums, 1 rare, 1 common. Although I have all of them, but then also this is an awesome pack. To get these 3 premiums, this is very rare premium, this is really good, and this is fab. It's just awesome. Dark gold is just awesome. Nana slug is okay if you are a beginner. Quibble is like that only. So rank 388, that's it. So that's it for guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.